As you can see, I'm trying to do things in a linear way to teach you, but of course it never goes in a linear way. As you create your design, you will see differences and things that you want to change afterwards. And now I realize that maybe this background is a bit too dark. So I will make it slightly lighter. Either like, no, this is not good. So I'd better change the color here and make this color brighter, like this. All right. Or slightly more. Right, like this. I prefer it like this. Also, I feel like all of this thing here is not in the center because there's more space here than there is here. So I'll just select everything and put it a bit more down so it makes more sense. And finally, this set of words, I'll also put it, try to center it between the circle and the distance up and down. Okay, so now we have our first basic slide, which we will animate later. And if you see these things like here on the screen, it feels that these lines are not perfectly connected. Sometimes this is just an illusion, depending on the zoom that you're currently using. So if you go more like this, maybe it's not an illusion. Okay, so let's put this back and let's move this line perfectly positioned compared to the previous line. Yeah, it's either like this or like this. Anyways, let's bring this in front again. The most important is how things look when you put them in full screen. And as you can see, here it's still not perfect. So I have to put it higher. So I need to redo that. All right. Okay. Let's try now. Yeah, whatever. I mean, it's actually a problematic point here that it never fits perfectly. So let me try some other things. First of all, let's check that the width here is the same. 1.75. 1.75. Maybe I can try to move this around. Let's see if it's better like this. No, it's still not. Yeah, that's better. Just made it almost straight, but actually it looks better. So let's bring this back to the front. All right. So we officially have our first slide, which we will animate and keep building on afterwards.